Today started with me finishing up the birthday cakes of Niergo. First of all, my cheesecake with lemon curd and fresh raspberries. Then my chocolate popcorn chocolate chip cake. And last but not least, my chestnut cake topped with almond crumble. 3 cakes for 3 years of Niergo. It was time to sing happy birthday and toast to this king that has made our family complete. Niergo Chief. Of course, he was also looking forward to unwrapping all the gifts he got. For the first time, he was able to do that all by himself, just like a big boy.
Ui. Ui.
Oh no!
Oh wow. Was ist es denn? Zeig mal.
And Chucky was watching him closely. And the highlight came at the end, when we lighted the table bomb. Full of toys for Obere Chief and the kids. Even though Uche struggled a bit to get it started, he managed to do so in the end.
Ja, der irgendwann. Irgendwann einmal. Ich glaube, du bist die Stütte durch. Das war Uches Finger. Look it, look it, look it.
Also, Chucky came running for this one. All in all, a successful day. Happy birthday, little chief.